I'm in Marsden. Train station down there behind me. Snow. And I'll show you in a minute, but there's a nice view behind me there. That's a hill over Stanage Tunnel. And I am going up there. I have not been up there before. There's a couple of reservoirs, so I shall be attempting to go up there. Right. I'm looking at a 6-mile round trip, but we'll see. Not like a steep climb on an icy road. You get your blood pumping. This is very pretty. And that's the town of Marsden. Hopefully that's not too much of a challenge. I have 2 pairs of trousers on today. Oh, the path widened out a bit, but I am absolutely roasting now. Taking my hat off, undone my zips. I think I'll be stopping soon and taking my fleece off. Let's see how far more up I've got to go, because obviously it's going to get hot while I'm walking uphill. You wonder what's under the ice, don't you? Bloody bog by the looks of it. Right, let's get over there. Yeah, there's bog there, alright. Looks like people have solid ice under here. Look. People just climb over that by the looks of it rather than go to the gate. They probably know. Whoa! There goes my heel. Oh my goodness. Obviously it wasn't too deep, but you don't know. Just don't know. Getting closer to the top now. The reservoir's up there somewhere. Right, come across some deep bog on the, if you're looking at it, on this side. Someone's obviously walked through here, but you can't see it obviously until you stand on it. You hear it cracking, and right down, just down there, and that bit down there went over. Oh, over. Oh, sinking again. Over the tip of my shoe. Luckily, my feet didn't get wet, but I wasn't expecting this. We shall see. I may have to turn around if this carries on. I'm up here like this, trying to come up higher if I can. And there's that. Yeah. So it's up quite high. I don't know what it's like on that side. I don't know. I don't know about this at all. Well, that was a nightmare. Seriously slowed down me time, so I don't know depending what the rest of the path is like, whether I'll actually do the full walk that I was planning. Just coming into Marsden, Moor, Shore Haze. Yeah, I haven't done that much distance actually. Let's have a look. I haven't even done a mile. Oh, it's been so bad. The thing is, once you sat here in that ice crack, you just don't know how deep it is. So it's been quite precarious finding solid bits of ground. The cyclist did come through and I started following his tracks, but even he had obviously gone over the ice, because when I walked on I could hear it cracking. So I'm guessing the reservoir is somewhere far over there in the yonder. Let's hope this path is better. Okay, I've come from that direction. There's another path there, which I may take back yet. So I was going to go up to Dean Head Reservoir. But there's a nice stone seat there. So I may come back and sit there if there's nothing up here at the reservoir. I've got plastic sheets and things like that I can put on top of that snow. Yeah, I think I actually am on schedule time wise. With the hills, I planned it in at 1.5 miles. 1, 2. No, I'm not on schedule. I'm way behind. I think I'm scheduled in for 1.5 miles an hour. And it's basically, I think, taking me 2 hours. So, because I had to go so slow through that bloody bog. At least the path's a bit better up here. I'm not going back down that way though. So I'll get up here, have my lunch, and decide. Oh, there it is. It was iced over. What I'm going to do. Yeah, that's a small reservoir. I'll look the name up and then I'll tell you. Right, I went up to the reservoir, and my battery currently ran flat on my phone, just like that, boom. But it doesn't. At least it's not too windy. So I'm sitting on this stone chair, a bit like old Fred Flintstones, with plastic sheet and my padded mat and my mushroom soup with a knob of butter in it. Lovely jubbly, still nice and hot. So anyway, I'm definitely going to go back down that path. I'll go up and just have a walk around the reservoir. And I don't know, I haven't looked at the video, I don't know how much of it I got, but it looks like it's got a big sheet of ice on the top of it. Not that I'm going to walk on it, mind, but yeah, so I'll go and have a look at that. I may go further up and look and go to Dean Head Reservoir, but not go back on the route that I was planning to, which is further up there and goes right round back, whereas this one goes across and meets up, I think, with the same part of the track I was going to go back on. So that will just shorten it a little bit, because you've got to watch the time. I had planned the walk and gave myself an hour, like to have a break, which I wouldn't have an hour in this weather anyway, but so that would get me back to the car by 4 o'clock, which is dark. So I'm sort of behind schedule by quite a bit. Anyway, it's nice to be out. I'm glad I'm on a better path now. Not too windy. Just starting to get a bit cold again. So I've stopped. I have my soup, put my gloves on, get my fingers warmed up again, and then I shall go and look at the reservoirs. I must say it's very nice just sitting here in the sunshine. A little bit of warmth from that sun. Be moving on soon. Right, this is Cupwith Reservoir. I don't know if you got that in the video before or not, before the battery packed up. Looks like it's iced over. Wind's picked up here, it's a bit chilly. My hand's gone numb. I sat too long in the sunshine, different from the stone chair. But yeah, that's Cupwith. I'm not going to go on. I'm going to go back now and saunter along that path. Might put the miles in that I thought today, but yeah, still nice to be out. Just come across this in a little gully of all places. It's not on the map, so looks like a chimney pot, so it must have been a cottage at some point, I guess. Yeah, they're definitely made of stone. Thought there might be bridge blocks for a second there, but no, stone. Tiny. I wonder why they put it down there. I suppose it's sheltered. Oh, it might have been just a stopover place for farmers or something. I don't know. There's the door. Interesting. I don't know what that is. Might be a well. Don't know. I guess it might have been a path at one point. Had a couple more dodgy spots of water under ice, under the snow. Obviously still not as bad as the bit coming up. It's a lane just up there. So I think most of the walk will be going back via road maybe, rather than these bridleways or pathways. You can't see the bottom. I'm out in the sun at the moment, so it's and someone's sunk in it. Just walking along, hoping for the best. When I hear that cracking sound, I'm like, oh shit, 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 shit. I've gone down a few of them, but luckily not deep enough to wet me socks, so that's good. And there's a lane up here, but I won't be following it for long. I'll be taking a turn off, but hopefully it'll be another lane or a decent bridleway maybe. This is what you get when you have public right-of-ways coming down someone's driveway. Have to walk through the yard. Always get my map out ready so I know I'm staying on the path. Well, after walking down that drive, I went too far down. I come back, try and find the link up to the path, and there's a stile there, but I can't see the path that goes down the hill, which is the direction I want to go. So I'm going to walk back up this driveway, turn right, and basically I think I'll be following the lanes back down. Just can't see in the snow. That whole section was full of that tussocky grass. Wasn't very smooth or anything like that. And the snow sitting on top of it, you just can't see how deep it is. So I'm glad I didn't go on to that further lake with this diversions. Right, I found another track. This one's turned out to be quite a gully. Let's see. Don't know if you can see, stick around. There's a stick on the ground. And it goes about there. Even using stickers. And now, whoa. This should come out onto another lane. Guess this path must have been part of an old pack horse path. As I put this marker here like this, that way to Marsden, and that way to Halifax. Just come down there. And we go along here and get underneath the railway line and then make my way back to the car. Creepy sound of ice cracking. And underneath the railway. Icicles. Oops. There's a wee reservoir. Then beyond that's the canal. And then beyond that's the river. I've walked down that canal quite a few times. I've decided to, since there's this road here, get on the canal, I've decided to walk the rest of the way back on the canal. Hopefully it won't be too slippery, since it goes straight back by the train to the train, next to the train station. It's easy. It's now 3 o'clock, so I need to get back to the car. The canal is frozen. Well, top layer probably. Right, so I ended up doing 5 miles in total, so even though I didn't do the full walk I was planning, I still did more than miles than I realised. And just got back in the car and snapped my selfie stick, so I think I've got another one at home. This is just a mini selfie stick, which is quite good because I've got a full size one somewhere. Blah blah blah. So 5 miles in the snow, which is on top of sheet ice, which is on top of bog. Lots of fun.